Hello students, today we will do some sums from exercise 7.3. Here is the question number 3. I am reading it. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the side of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. So we want to find out the ratio of this given triangle ABC and the triangle formed by the midpoints, joining the midpoints means DEF. Now how we will find it out this midpoints? It's not given, but the A and B is given and its midpoint is D. So you can see here section formula I can apply. As it is a midpoint, so m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. In my previous videos already I taught you, when the ratios are 1, 1, instead of multiplying and showing it, you can directly add the coordinates x, x and y, y and divide by 2. So 0 plus 2 upon 2 and minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. This will give me 1 and 0. Same way for the E also, 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2. So 2 plus 0 means 2, 2 upon 2 means 1. 1 plus 3 means 4 upon 2 means 2. For the F, 0 plus 0 upon 2 minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. 0 plus 0 means 0. 0 upon 2 means 0. Minus plus minus and sign of greater. So 2 upon 2 means 1. So here we get it the coordinates. Now find it out the area of ABC. 0 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1. Now simplify it. What we are getting it on simplifying? Half into, whenever anything multiplied by 0 is big 0 only. Now 2 minus minus consecutive, so plus it will become 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 2 means 8. Plus minus minus multiplied by 0. So nothing to be worried. Very easy it is. So what we are getting is equal to half into 8 mod of 8 and it is 4. So it is 4. ABC area is 4. Same way for DEF also we will find it out. Half into mod of what it is 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 modulus sign. So it will be 1 only, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 plus here 1 into here is 1 and it is big 0. So nothing is required to be solved. So 2 ones are 2. So what I am getting is DEF is equal to 1. As it is area, so we will write it square unit. Square unit. Now we want to find it out the ratio of this triangle to the given triangle ABC. So DEF is to ABC. So 1 and here it is 4. So ratio is 1 is to 4 is the answer. Now let's do question number 5. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for a triangle ABC whose vertices are given here in the figure. Now one thing we want to clear here is what we mean by median. Median means a line divides the opposite side into equal part. Means BD is equal to DC. Means D is a midpoint. As we find it out on previous question, same way we will find the coordinates of D. So 3 plus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 will be equal to, what you are getting is 8 upon 2 means 4, 0 upon 2 means 0. So coordinate of D is 4 and 0. What we have to find it out? Find the area of triangle ABD. This is equal to this one. So we will find it out separately, the area of ABD and area of ADC, and then we will compare with the values. ABD is equal to half of mod of 4 into minus 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 0 minus minus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 2 mod O. Half of modulus, so minus 0 will not make any difference with the 2. Minus 2 into 4 will be minus 8. Then this 2 consecutive minuses of 6 is very positive. 6 3s are 18 positive, we will get it. Now here minus 6 minus minus plus 2. On simplifying we will get it minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 4 is minus 16 modulus 4. Now simplify it, minus minus plus, so this will give me minus 24 plus 18. This will be equal to half of, on simplifying it, what you are getting is 6 minus, so it is on dividing it will be 3. As it is in modulus form, outside the mod it will be positive square unit. 3 square unit you will be getting its answer. Same way find it out area of ADC is equal to half of modulus of 4 into 0 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus minus 6 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0 modulus over. Half into mod of 4 minus 2 minus 8 is there. Then minus minus consecutive, so plus 6, so 8. 4 8s are 32. Now minus 6 will remain, minus 30 you will get it. So is equal to 1 upon 2 in modulus. So this will give me minus 8 minus 30 means minus 38 plus 32. Half of mod of minus 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what I am getting is 3. ADC is equal to 3 square unit. So from this you can say that area of ABD is equal to ADC is verified. So here, dear students, we are ending with the chapter number 7. Some practice sums I will give you as a PDF. You have to do it, that sums also, as well as complete the exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3 in your fair notebook. Thank you students for watching the video. Have a good day.